These fun Santa ornaments are made from seashells left over from your summer adventures, or you can easily find them at a dollar or a department store. For this project, you will need a seashell, a small nail or a piercing tool, a hammer, red, white, and tan acrylic paint, a paintbrush, a black permanent marker, Mod Podge, craft glue, a small pink pom-pom, a larger white pom-pom, thin ribbon, and an optional piece of thick white yarn or a cotton ball. The first step is to make a hole at the top of your shell. Use a small nail, or here I've got a piercing tool and a hammer. Protect your work surface with a folded towel and then pound the nail or piercing tool through the shell. Mine is very thin, so I'm going to wiggle it around a little bit to make the hole a little bit bigger and go in from both sides just to widen the hole. Paint the top 1/3 of your shell with red paint to make Santa's hat. The edge doesn't need to be even, so don't worry about that. Now paint an oval for the face with the tan acrylic paint right in the center of the shell, a little ways down from the hat. Once the tan paint and the red paint are completely dry, paint the rest of the shell with white acrylic paint. Then paint on some white eyebrows and a nice bushy mustache. After all the paint is completely dry, use the black permanent marker to draw on some eyeballs. You can also add a little white highlight if you have a steady hand. And then a mouth. I'm going to make an O shape. You can make a smile or whatever expression you would like. Now give the shell a coat of Mod Podge to seal the paint. Let the Mod Podge dry completely before moving on to the next step. You can leave the shell as is, it looks good, or you can do what I'm doing and use some craft glue to add a little fluffy trim to the hat. I've got a piece of yarn here that I'll stick on with the glue, or you can use a cotton ball torn and rolled into little pieces to make the trim. Glue the small pink pom-pom on the face to make a nose, or if you don't have a pom-pom, you could use paint instead. Cut your ribbon to about 8 or 9 inches, fold it in half, and thread both ends through the hole at the top of your shell. Then thread both ends through the loop and pull it tight. Glue the white pom-pom at the very top to cover the hole and the knot. Be sure and use plenty of glue and let it dry completely. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more great craft ideas.